Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. I'm glad you're here today, and I have, anyone know what this is? This is my Beauty Empties, and I don't know, I don't do these every month. I kind of just do it, I don't know, when I have enough that I feel like to share. So I'm just gonna get in here and show you what I've emptied, and so let's get to it. Okay friends, thanks for being here. I do appreciate your support, and if you want to support my channel, you can do so by hitting the like button, subscribing, leaving a comment. I would appreciate those things so much. And let's get in here and see, what do I pull out first? I guess I'll pull out for a hair product. This is the Bautista. This is the dry shampoo. It's the cherry one, which I love this one. And this is like, oh, no, it's just air. All it's blown is air, nothing, but I've used this. It's not the best, but overall for the price, I think that these work really well. And I get them on Amazon, like in 4-packs or 5-pack. Anyway, I can get them, and so I like them. And with my blonde hair, it kind of lightens up my roots a little bit, which I kind of like when I use this. So I'm happy with this product. I have more in stock, and I probably will purchase it again too. So anyway, there's that. I don't know why I threw this in here, but I went through my Colgate Max Fresh, so that's empty. And the next thing I have here is from Il Makiage. This is a primer, and I love this product. It's a very good primer. It's just a little pricey, and I don't know, it's just, I have so many primers that it's not one I will repurchase anytime soon. I have other ones I like, but I do recommend this if you like Il Makiage and you already like to buy off their site. Now, if I was buying something else from their site, I might add this, but otherwise, I'll probably just go with what I have for now. So anyway, but that's good product. So the next thing I have here is an why did it go blank? This is a pot. It's an eye primer, and it is called Stuck on You. It's from the Beauty Crop, and I actually use this forever. Like, I really liked it. It's probably not one of your top eye primers, but I've enjoyed it. It's good. I think I might have this on my Amazon storefront. It's, fairly inexpensive. So, and you can purchase it if you want through Amazon, or I'm sure on the Beauty Crop. But anyway, good product. Once again, I have so many eye primers, and I have favorite ones. So I would rebuy this, but again, right now I don't really rebuy anything because I have so much stuff in stock. But anyway, so there's that. Another thing I get off of Amazon is the Airspun powder, and I love this product. In fact, I used to like powders and get powders in boxes and stuff, but then when I started buying this, it tends to be the only thing I use. I use it over my foundation. It just kind of smooths the skin. Love it. It lasts forever. So anyway, this is a good product. I have purchased it. I just opened a new one that I purchased as a backup to this. So anyway, we'll use this. Love it. Whatever. And this you can find on my storefront too, my Amazon storefront, in my beauty section. So anyway, there's that. This is the serum now this is vitamin C, and this is from First Aid Beauty. I don't think I've used this all. I don't know. It just started smelling kind of bad, so I think it may have gone bad, or I just don't like it. I don't know. First Aid Beauty is a great product. It's just not one I tend to go to, but I have used this quite a bit, and then it just kind of got smelly or something. I don't know, just turned me off. So that went bye-bye. What else do I have in here? Okay, this is something I got from the Macy's Beauty Box. It's supposed to help with moisture, like getting like oil and stuff from your skin. But I don't know. I don't use it. It's not something I go to. So that went bye-bye. Okay, let's see. I got 3 items here that go together. I emptied these. This is kind of a joke. I'm just joking about this, but I don't know if you knew I had been sick when I filmed. In fact, I spent all of January sick, so I emptied some prescriptions, and anyway, she had to give me another dose. I'm still taking a few just to kind of finalize, but anyway, that was a joke. But yeah, I did empty them. I actually finished up an Estee Lauder. This is the Max Coverage foundation. I have more. I buy this all the time when they have specials and stuff. So I do have backups. I actually have kind of gone back to the other one, the bottled one. That's what I've been using lately, but I still have the Max Coverage too, which I like. This is a stylet. This is just a nude colored lip product. It was old and kind of used, so went bye-bye to that. This right here is, this is from Dominique. This is an eyelash brush or pen, whatever. What do you call them? Eyebrow. That's why I went wrong. It's an eyebrow pencil. So you just use it like this. It has the smooth edge there, so you just go, but it's done. It's out. So I love this so much that I did buy a second one, so I have another backup that I am using. So would I buy this again? Probably. But once again, I have so much product that I need to use some of my other eyebrow pencils too. So anyway, there's that. This is a razor. I get these on Amazon. They're really inexpensive. You can buy them in 5 packs or whatever. I just had a subscription for a while, so I have several of them. But I tend to like this about as good as any razor I've used. In fact, I had a really nice, expensive one, and I went back to this. Anyway, really like these razors. So anyway, and those are probably on my Amazon storefront too. The next thing, I get these from Amazon, not from, I don't even know if they carry these anymore in Victoria's Secret, but this is the Fresh and Clean scent. I buy them when they go on sale on Amazon. This is, it just smells, okay, I don't know what it is about this, but it smells so good. I buy this and the spray, and after I shower, I use this lotion and lather up with this and the spray, and it just smells so good and so fresh. Recommend this. Love it. It's a little bit pricey on Amazon, but you can also, when it goes on sale, you can get it for a pretty good price. But anyway, this is probably on my storefront too from Amazon, so love it. So anyway, there's that. I have gone through a Laneige. I'll probably have one of these in almost every Beauty Empties because I got a bunch of these. Actually, these last me about 2 months. This is the last thing I put on before I go to bed, and it's the first thing I put on in the morning, and love this stuff. I have bought the packs that were they had the gift packs of them at Sephora, so I got a couple of them to last me for a year. So I just put this in my bedside table and love this product. And so there's that one. They came in different flavors. This one, they're all good. So anyway, there's that. Another thing for my shower, I buy these, I use these, what are they, the sponge gels, and they come with fragrance. So the fragrance lasts about, I don't know, 7 to 10 showers, pretty good. And then after that, I have the bottle of shower gel, and then I'll use this sponge with the shower gel. These stay fresh because I'm putting, soap on it every day. So they stay fresh, so I can use these for quite a while, like a month or so I'll use it with the shower gel. So anyway, this one kind of had it, I felt like, so it's time for a new one. So anyway, there's that. And I have also in here, this is crazy, I know, but I got some new eyelash curlers. I had a couple that I got into their box square. These were old ones that were kind of crappy. So anyway, I'm tossing these. So they're going in there along with my meds, which I don't have to use anymore. Razor, toothbrush. Obviously, I love that kind of toothbrush, and I have more. Love. Styla, love. Okay. Stupid. Good. Wonderful. Good. And good. So anyway, that's it for my beauty empties. Let me know what you think. Is there anything that stood out to you, or what kind of things do you put in your empties? I rarely, it takes me a long time to empty something because I do switch up a lot. My products, I have so much products, so I rarely just use one product until it's gone. I kind of switch around a little bit, but anyway, that's what I've come up with for the last couple months. So anyway, let me know what you think. Leave me a comment, and thank you for being here. I appreciate your support so much, and I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.